Sorry. Oh.
Ayan naman, no? Na-practice mo man din yan, no? Kasi natulog ka, Karina.
Let's go.
Let's go mid, guys. Blue team.
Follow the same mark.
Yeah.
The mark on your head. Come on.
I am seeing one here. Go.
Oh shit.
Kyle,
Back tower,
can you suck there? Oh yeah, I'm also Moonblade. Go. DPS, Boulevard. We're gonna be,
Live muna saglit sa bulwark, guys. Live muna saglit. Live muna saglit.
DPS, go Boulevard.
PVP lang saglit, guys, ha.
Tanks, let's, entertain
Ito, si Dom. Patay niyo si Dom.
RN.
Gang him.
DPS.
One by one kill. Gang.
Ito.
Heart like morning dew.
Gang him.
Go. These guys are dying.
A healer must not hesitate. A healer must
Wait
save
lang.
all souls.
Help Ziquao.
Boundless as a plume.
After nito, mid tayo, guys, ha.
Must not hesitate.
Go.
Must not hesitate.
Nameless, can you focus with Boulevard? Let's try to get the Boulevard.
A healer must not hesitate. We flow with kindness.
Oh,
Name yun. Team Red, Push na. Team Red.
Yes, boss.
Never fade.
Team Red, push.
A healer must not hesitate.
Okay.
We flow with kindness. Generous payment.
Go back muna kayo, guys. Go back. Na umis kami sa ano.
A healer
Yeah, go ahead.
must not
Oh, nice. Top and bottom. We hold the
Dito
middle.
tayo sa gate. Dito tayo sa gate, guys. Team Red, sa gate. Dito sa center gate.
heart like morning dew.
Likod lang kayo saglit.
Team Blue. Let's get the red Boulevard.
Dito, pasok.
Flowers never fade. A healer must not hesitate. A generous payment. We flow with kindness.
Keep attack. No progress if you don't attack.
Boulevard. We need damage Boulevard.
Healer
Okay.
must save all souls.
Go.
Go. Protector, keep attack. No progress if you don't attack.
Back muna nga kayo saglit. Punta tayo sa ano,
Take petals instead.
bulwark.
Defending or just delaying enemy? Come on, guys.
Sak, bulwark.
Spring never ends. Boundless as a flame, a healer must not hesitate.
Team Red, baba. Team Red, baba.
Bulwark lang guys.
A generous payment.
My god, ano yun? May binabato sila? Nawawanit ako.
Ang bagal ako naman. Endurance.
Nakuha na ba yung 3 natin?
Grabe ang da.
Hindi pa no?
Ang bilis nila.
Hindi pa nakuha yung gold. Hindi nakuha yung gold. Pero it's 50%.
Okay, one by one, we kill, come on.
Where are you guys?
Sige. And then, dito na.
Si Zikyaw nasa likuran siya mag-isa.
Spring
Yung mga healer natin, no, nakaiwalay kayo sa mga DPS natin.
healer must save.
Come on, Tatong, come on, Wilmong. One by one,
Tara,
we
tara,
kill.
advance.
Let's go. Go, forward again.
Must protect oneself.
Come on, DPS.
Let's try to get the bulwark.
One by one, we push one by one. Nice. Go, Lion Roar.
We flow with kindness.
Oh shit.
Life is beyond price.
God.
A healer must not hesitate. Spring never ends.
Bulwark and white. Come on, 3,
We flow with
2,
kindness.
1.
Life is beyond price.
Wait, go.
A heart like morning dew.
Oh shit.
God.
A healer must protect oneself.
Holy!
Flow with kindness.
Are they attacking Argus or not? Yeah, can we defend the goose first and then we go with bulwark? Guys. Nasaan yung iba? Nakuha na nila yung 3.
Lahat.
Almost.
Base mo na, may base. Defend mo na.
Joy never dies. A healer
PvP,
must not
30 seconds.
Yung mga
Get the
magja-jungle, pwesto na kayo.
Yeah.
kindness.
Pwesto na kayo. Jungle team.
Life is beyond price. A healer must protect oneself.
Nice, nice, nice. Ay, sorry kabayo. Dapat ikaw to eh.
Totoo, babae pa man din kalaban, no? Ay, sayang, oh.
Ay, parang nakakalaban ko to sa arena. Ayun, Lee. Di bali, nakadrop naman yung tree nila eh. Walang tao. Tak ako dito sa post.
Joy never dies. Heart like morning dew.
Tara, tara, kunin natin yung mid blue team. Blue, 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 kunin natin yung mid. Eh, ba't di na naman makatakbo?
Intense defense, guys.
Heart like morning dew.
May nagja-jungle pa sa atin?
A healer must save all souls.
Okay, Team Red, ano? Dito lang kayo, dito ka. Ay. Wait lang. Babalik sila dito, kukunin nila to eh. Team Red, dito lang tayo. Wait.
Come on, come on, come on, come on.
Ilang minutes na ba?
Come on, come on, come on. Mid tower, mid tower.
Huwag niyong bibigay, huwag niyong bibigay.
A healer must not hesitate.
Oh, tara, Red Team.
Nasa gitna sila lahat.
Grabe naman, ayaw naman mag-mount.
We flow with
Yun
kindness.
nga din ako, nahirapan din ako.
Healer must protect.
Wala pa ako insurance.
Wave suck, guys.
Healer must not hesitate.
Sa may bandang harapan lang. Ay, dito lang, sa may harapan ng mga hagdan. Ah,
Payment
Wait lang. Ready ka na?
like morning dew.
oo, tara, 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 suck ka dyan. Go, go, go. Suck toilet. Aray,
Come
aray.
on, come on, come on. Nice, 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 nice. Guys, mid, guys, mid, guys.
Nakuha na naman yung tree. Team Red, balik. Kailangan natin itong ano, may stop tong tree.
Flowers never fade.
Guys, back muna sa blue team. Wala, di natin makuha yung mid. Maggugusta. Back, 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 back. Mag-gus tayo. Try natin mag-gus.
Shit.
Blue, 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 blue.
White,
Ba't tayo
white.
nasa... We go, gus. Guys. Sa lang
Palitan natin
nagpipit
yung
akong tao dito.
palitan natin yung composition next ano. 15-15 gawin
Joy
natin.
never dies.
Wala yung team ko.
They take the jungle. Take.
Guys, iwan nyo muna yung mid. Mag-gusto tayo.
Team. Blue team. Mag-gusto kayo, blue team.
Wala akong tao dito.
Must not hesitate.
Andito sila na pag PvP.
Yun nga eh. Kaya nga diba, wala. Pag ganyan, walang mangyayari sa akin. Kahit isang healer lang, kaya kong bawasan.
I'm baiting then.
Huh? We flow with kindness. Joy never dies.
Team Red, boss. Namatay pa ako. Ah.
Sige.
Ay, tangina, buti na hila ko.
Healer die. Okay.
Boundless as a flow.
Grabe.
Wait, the healer.
Ay, walang tao dito. Wala palang tao dito. Ako, nakarugay ako.
Saan ka?
Andito ako sa blue tree.
Nadamay ako doon, boss. Sumama ako, paggulat ako, puro red.
Nandito na sila sa may ano. Wala na rin to. Sa may gusto na.
Lahat kayo sali kayo sa Discord Doon ko kasi inaayos yung lineup yung mga bago. Para doon natin i-discuss yung paano natin i-structure yung mga team. Mamaya i-send namin yung link. And then, sa Guild War, not necessary na main build nyo yung gagamitin. Pwede kayong mag-hybrid,